Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to mark a chat as unread on WhatsApp Web on PC. With the new update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to keep track of your conversations. Let's jump right into it. First, open web, whatsapp.com on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the chat you want to mark as unread. Next, hover over the chat or right-click on it to access the options menu. Click on the arrow icon, V, to expand the options, or simply right-click on the chat to reveal a drop-down menu. Now look for the option to Mark as Unread and click on it. This action will let WhatsApp know that you want to come back to this chat later and haven't read it yet. And that's it. You've successfully marked a chat as unread on WhatsApp Web. This feature is perfect for those times when you're in the middle of a conversation, but need to step away. By following these simple steps, you can stay organized and never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for navigating WhatsApp Web. Happy chatting!